Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Shvetambara Sabharwal. I'm a clinical psychologist and a psychotherapist. I've been getting some texts and calls from friends, family and patients who are really struggling to get their kids to sit down and do worksheets, schoolwork, stay online while school is teaching, and that is resulting in a lot of stress, frustration and conflicts between the parents and children, and also amongst parents and family members. Now we have to recognize that there are suddenly a lot of caretakers in the family. Everyone is at home and everyone's going to have opinions. Everyone wants to contribute. So the first suggestion that I have is that you decide as a family who is going to be in charge of your child's schoolwork. While everyone else must pitch in and help, it's not only for one person to achieve, and it's not easy. I think the decisions can be left to one person. The second point I want to make, which is closer to my heart, is that at this time, I would really encourage you to look at the bigger picture. Start with empathizing with your kids. They are going through their own fair share of confusion, frustration, missing their sense of routine, their friends, outdoor play, and they're sensing this stress, around them all the time. In a situation like this, children are curious, children are worried, they are anxious, and they can have various behavioral manifestations, including saying, "No, I will not do this worksheet." Please talk to them. Please allow them to be confused. Please allow them to be frustrated. Please allow them to be anxious. Let them talk to you and share some strategies of coping with them. And be honest if you're struggling with an emotion yourself and come up with cool ideas. Let them help you. Please empower them with strategies to deal with anxiety, frustration, boredom. This is not usual for them either. Then I want to bring your attention to something that is so significant. They are already learning. Whether you do those worksheets or not, they are observing their parents and family cope with a lockdown, frustration, disappointment, anxiety, struggling with all kinds of negative emotions. They're observing their parents support others in a time of difficulty. They're observing their parents fight, argue, and then learn how to sort those issues out. So the kind of life skills that they are being exposed to right now, be rest assured that they are getting educated. This education, this time with you, is priceless in their education and in giving them a solid foundation for a healthy and happy, functional personality. So please relax and calm down if your children are not studying as much as you'd like them to be. This is not about you. Don't make it about how much you need to achieve with your kids. Feel the pulse, see what they're ready for. You can teach them math while playing that board game. You can teach them Hindi, English while watching TV with them. Read with them. The biggest gift you can give them right now is not, ticking off those tables that they have learned, or the atlas that they have thoroughly learned, but it will be your physical presence and your attention. Pay attention to them. This time is going to stay with them, I believe, forever. And I predict that the way they experience relationships, life, problem solving will become a part of their personality. So pay attention to that, and I think you will have done enough to educate them and to help them.